You all. My name is Felicia Trixie Chandra from Canisius Budimugni Junior High School. Today I want to tell you one of the most famous folklore in Indonesia, a story of a young man who neglected his own mother, Malin Kundang. This story reminds us to a lot of real events that happen in our life about parents and children relationship. Once upon a time, on the north coast of Sumatra, lived a poor woman and her son. The boy was called Malin Kundang. They didn't earn much as fishing was their only source of income. Malin Kundang grew up as a skillful young boy. He always helps his mother to earn some money. However, as they were only fishermen's helper, they still lived in poverty.